Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about layer 3 airdrop guys, and recently when you open your layer 3 account, you will be able to see this pop-up message. Okay, the future of layer 3 is coming and layer 3 is coming. Okay, so here you can see the symbol of dollar and L3 is there. Okay, so it might be the token. Okay, so there is still time to mint cubes to maximize your reward. So we'll be able to mint this cube. Okay, so cube related quests, lot of them are available. So I'll show you how you can filter out them and how you can do the task and mint these cubes. Okay, so in this video that's what we are going to see. And apart from that, in case if you have these criteria, for example your layer 3 profile level, or else total quest completed, NFTs unlocked, and total achievements unlocked, these could be your multiplayer also. Okay, so we don't know anything now for sure. Okay, so what we can do now is we can actually try out this quest layer 3 and gather much of this cube, so that you might get the higher number of airdrop allocation. Okay, so currently you can see the funding data is showing $2.5 million, but it is from the seed round which happened in 2021. Okay, so currently surely they will be having higher number of fundings currently. Okay, so they haven't updated it yet, but the thing is it has some potential. Okay, so in this video we're going to see guys how to climb these cubes only, so make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you will understand how we can climb these cubes. Okay, and before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel guys and click the like button and continue watching it. Many of you are watching my videos without liking it. It hardly takes 1 second of your time to click the like button guys. And this is our Telegram channel. Here only I'll be updating all sorts of time sensitive information, airdrop details, airdrop link and everything. So in case if you haven't followed me here, so must to follow me here also guys. And tomorrow we'll be able to check our Venom airdrop testnet rewards. Okay, so I'll be updating those details and all here only inside my Telegram channel. Okay, so with that being said, let's get into the video. So first of all we need to come to layer 3. Okay, so here we have already used this platform in order to participate in other quests, like for example Linear and all. We are using this layer 3 only to complete all the tasks and gain the XPs. Okay, so like that we have interacted in so many projects with layer 3, and you might have claimed this NFTs and all inside this platform. Okay, those NFTs and your XPs and all might have some purpose. Okay, mainly what they said is this cube, there is still time to mint these cubes to maximize your rewards. Okay, so this cube is the main thing. So if you want to claim this cube, so what you need to do is just open your layer 3 platform. So once you come inside, click on the search, and if you click on the search you'll be able to find lot of projects. Okay, but if you want to filter out those projects, and only you need to complete the cube ones. Okay, so if you complete the cube 1 projects, then you'll be able to claim the cubes. Okay, so in order to filter out, just come here and click on this only show cubes. Okay, so if you click that, you will be able to see the total available quest is 119 quests are available. So you can just go into all of this quest and then complete what they told you to complete, then you'll be able to climb the cubes. Okay, very simple only. So you can actually go into any of this thing and then you can complete. Okay, so for example I'll just complete one and I'll show you like this only. You need to complete all the quest and get the cubes. Okay, so for example I chose this ZK Zinc Revolutions, and once you come inside, just click on begin, and we need to swap via this platform. Okay, so if we do so, we'll be able to complete this task and claim the cubes. Okay, so come here and just connect your wallet. So once you connect your wallet and choose the asset, and I'm going to do the swap for Ethereum by wrapped Ethereum. So 0.001, I'm going to click on wrap, and then we need to confirm it in our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so MetaMask will pop up. Just click on confirm. So here we need to pay the fee of 0.08. so just click on confirm, and now here you can see guys, it got confirmed. And once you did the swap, so just come back here and click on verify, and once you click on verify, this task will get done. Okay, so here you can see it got done, and this one is actually optional only. So if you want, just click on open leaderboard, then it will open the leaderboard. So just go here and visit the page and come back here and click on continue, then it will be done. Okay, so finally you'll be able to claim your rewards. Okay, so here you can see claim reward will shown here. So what we need to do is just click on claim reward, and then MetaMask will pop up, and here we need to just click on confirm and claim the rewards. Okay, so cube, so you need to claim all the cubes on the chain where you did the activities. Okay, for example, here I did the activities on ZK Sync network, so we need to pay some gas fee, then only we'll be able to claim the cubes. Okay, so currently you can see our credential got minted. Okay, so like this you gotta mint all these cubes. Okay, so guys, like this only you can claim all other cubes. Okay, so I shown you an example, and next thing, if you want to do, all you have to do is just click on this search bar and come here and click on this only show cubes, so that you will be only able to get the project which offers the cube thing. Okay, so all you have to do is just go inside one of these things and just click on begin, and here hold Trader Joe or open Ocean NFT. So if you hold this, we'll be able to complete this task. So like this you'll be able to find so many tasks here. Okay, so all you have to do is just go through all of this project and complete and gather so many cubes. The more number of cube you have, the higher chance of getting the higher number of airdrop is there. Okay, so try to complete all these things and gather so much of cubes. And so previously people used to think the higher number of NFTs people are holding, they will get the higher number of airdrops. That's what people thought. Okay, but don't worry guys, still your NFT will have some value. Okay, so pretty much you'll be able to earn the multiplier by your profile level and total quest completed and total NFTs unlocked. Okay, so these are the speculation which is not official. So what you can do is, your main goal should be only on claiming these cubes. Okay, so try to claim cubes as much as you can, and that's it guys in this video. This is how you will be able to earn this layer 3 airdrop. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching this video until the very end.